Hey everybody, welcome to my first unboxing here on Dave Tech. This is not technically a piece of AV gear, but well, when you see this video, I have edited it on the box I'm about to open. I've got my GoPro Hero 7 mounted on the ceiling and providing another view. So it's time to grab the X-Acto knife. I know an AV tech would have something else, but you know, it's a Mac. You got something, use something a little more precise. So let's get right into it. This is the, as of this video, current model of Mac Mini, obviously. The one that was released last year. I forget exactly when. So this is a 6-core computer, which it's an i5, so it's not amazing. It's not a Mac Pro, but I'm going to be getting a MacBook Pro as well. So I'm gonna have two computers because I now run 3 YouTube channels. So I need to be editing on multiple systems. Let's get right into it. And I'm going to be unboxing this using an X-Acto knife because, you know, I want to be precise because it's still an expensive piece of equipment that's going to last me a long time. I've actually been using a Mac Mini that was my mom's from 2009. So I expect this one to last a long time too. I'm going to upgrade the RAM separately at some point because I can. This is only 8 gigs of RAM, which is, you know, not very much. But if I custom ordered it, then it would be a few weeks and, you know, Apple prices for RAM, all that stuff. Now, if you guys remember the old Airport Extreme base station, this is approximately that size. In fact, I can actually go grab my Airport Extreme base station I still have and compare the size. And in case you're opening this computer and you think, oh man, I know I got a new computer. Which computer was it? It says right here, Mac Mini. Nice and convenient. On the back, you have, that's not the back. Oh, that is the back. You have a piece of tape covering it. You have 4 Thunderbolt 3, you have 4 Thunderbolt 3 jacks, which is pretty nice. I believe that's almost the same as the new Mac, the Mac Pro. Ethernet, which is good. I still use Ethernet. I prefer, it's a desktop computer. I've got wires coming in and out of it already. What's one more for internet that's a little bit faster and a little bit more secure? That's how I look at it. Headphone jack, still a thing on some things, and of course, you have a lot of USB-A devices, so they still have USB-A. Power supply built in, unlike the older models. I think it's been that way for a few generations. I just haven't had a new Mac Mini in a long time. In fact, I've never had a new Mac Mini. The one I have, like I said, is used. And then, of course, a fan. On the front, as it's been for multiple generations now, no optical drive, which is fine because I would use it. Put this aside. Designed by Apple in California. Here, you'll just have your little introduction in case you've never used a Mac before, some legal things, and Apple stickers. I used to put these on my car, but Apple's not exactly struggling anymore, so I don't have to be like, please, please buy the Mac. So I don't. And of course, power cable, which isn't grounded for reasons. And that's it. That is the unboxing of the Mac Mini, which will be, again, my new editing computer for Dave Tech and a lot of other things. When my computer is busy rendering, I'll just switch over and watch YouTube videos, which, yeah, the computer can do both, but everything you do on the computer, no matter how fast it is going to slow it down. And I want the videos to render as quickly as possible and use all that CPU and RAM. So thanks for watching this unbox video. I will be posting a follow-up video in a month or so for my thoughts on this computer after using it for a while. I might tack it at the end of this video, not sure yet. But either way, remember, you can't spell Dave without AV. Thanks for watching.